pretty much the very top of this fort in Nafplio, Greece. It's a beautiful, hot, actually kind of hot day for late October.
Very hot.
And it's totally sunny. The city's right behind us. It's amazing view. It cost €8 to come to this fort per person, and you can just walk around all over the place. There's a whole large area. You know, it's just a lot to see here. We took hop on, hop off bus to come here. It's the first stop on the tour. So we're here. We'll probably spend over an hour or more here, and then go back on the bus and go elsewhere on the city. Look at this view from the fort, the top of the fort. You can see the whole city.
Thank you.
And of course ketchup. Yum, yum, yum. Fresh fries.
Yum, yummy.
Very good. Very potatoey. We tender back to the ship. We pass Bourtzi Castle, which was completed in 1473 to keep pirates and other sea invaders from invading the city. It was a fort until 1865, then the residence for executioners who executed convicts from Palamidi. And then it was a hotel from 1930 to 1970 and is now a tourist attraction that takes a 10-minute boat ride to get there. Thus ends our third stop, Nafplio, Greece, in our 28-day cruise. We hope you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe to our channel. Our next stop will be Piraeus, Greece, which is the port near Athens. So please stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching.